in this video we are going to see that how can we open an Excel workbook that has been saved as a PDF file in Microsoft Excel. So the steps are really simple. Let's just dive right into it. This is book1.pdf, which is actually an Excel file that consists of a table with 3 rows and 1 column, that's the data column, having numeric data. So this is just a sample. You can have a huge amount of data as well in the form of a PDF. So how do you convert it into Excel? That's what we're going to see. So first of all, let's just close this PDF. We have to use this application of Microsoft Word for this purpose, right? So what we're going to do is just minimize this application of Word and drag this PDF file into Word, just like this. When you do that, you will get this kind of a dialog box which just asks you for the permission, because the file extension is .pdf and you're trying to open it in a Word which supports the docs extension. So you can just click on OK. And once you just maximize it, you see that this is the whole table that we had in the PDF. This has now been converted into a table using Word. So we can just select it all and copy it by right clicking and copying it. Now we can just open up our Excel, and in this Excel we can just paste this table. Okay, so let's just go to a workbook. Let's just create a blank workbook, or if you have an existing workbook where you want to paste this data, that also you can do. So here you can see the data has been pasted, and that's how you have converted a PDF formatted Excel worksheet into Excel. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.